Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick is stuck, and you can easily factory reset your device by holding down the back button and the right button on your remote. So let's hold both of these down at the same time, and after about 15 seconds, you should get something on the screen that says Factory Reset TV. So it's going to scroll in the background, which is fine. Just keep holding these two buttons down. Then it's going to stop. It says reset to factory defaults. Factory reset has been initiated and will automatically occur in 12 seconds. So this should erase like all the data off your TV. And if you're stuck, maybe there's a software glitch or something like that on your TV, this should go ahead and just factory reset to the default settings. And you can update your TV later on. And just see if this works for you if you're stuck or you're frozen, etc. like that. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.